Hi everyone, welcome to hashtag Deck the Year. This is an open collaboration hosted by Penny's Crafty Creations, and I am here to bring you week 49 for December 5th, as well as week 50 for December 12th. I'm finding it easier to do them in 2-week increments, so I'm not having to post every Thursday. Because, it takes time to do the videos and edit them and blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so what I used for the first one, which I made on Martha Makes Art Live on December 3rd from the 2 to 5, but it was probably in the 3 to 5 area or something like that, 3:30 to 5:30, 3:30 to 5 area. I don't know, somewhere in the later part of the video. I was using scraps from 'Tis the Season. It's a retired Stampin' Up! 6x6 paper set. Um, ooh, sorry, I bumped you. Full of greens and reds of various shades and different designs. And if you watched my video on Wednesday about Shuffle Cut Create, I actually used this paper and cut it into little 1-inch cubes for a project for that, and I used the leftovers from that. I also used a little bit of this Tonic Studios Snowdrop Meadow handcrafted cotton paper. I'm not sure where I got this. I've had it for a few years now. I probably got it at somewhere like scrapbook.com or another online store. I don't remember exactly, and it's not marked. So I used those two papers. And then I used these two ribbons, which I'm pretty sure are both retired. Not 100% sure. Yeah, this was from 2023, their holiday catalog, Merry, Bold, and Bright Sweet, which I don't know if I have that, but I got the ribbon. It's like a sort of a holographic on the edges, or I don't know if that's the right word. And then this one I'm sure is retired too. This color I think is, yeah, it is Evening Evergreen, because this color is now retired too. But it's a woven, it has a nice texture, but it's not super thick. So I like that too. And I don't think that's one of the colors in the paper, but I used it anyway. Yeah, no, you use what you have, because I have a lot of ribbon I need to use. So here's the card. Oops. I have another one to show you too. This actually was an embellishment I made probably last year at the holiday time, because I haven't made Christmas embellishments yet this year for my embellishments on the 11th. This I know is from these Target uh, little mini foamy peppermints, because I used them on another project, which was on Martha Makes Art Shuffle Cut Create. Here's the little squares, the two ribbons, and then I just bumped this up on dimensional, as you can see, and that was it. So it's basically like a patchwork or quilt pattern, and then the ribbons and the already made embellishment. Very easy. And here's the card. I put it upside down, but I'm going to cover this eventually, I think. And so I have these all in a book, and I wrote "Do Christmas," so I did Christmas. So that's that one. On the next one, I went wintry. And I'm trying to find the paper that I used. Hang on. Hang on one moment, please. I had it right here. Oh, here it is. I used the one piece of paper, the snowflakes, out of this Simple Stories Winter Wonder, which I'm pretty sure I bought last year. I didn't buy it this year. So anyway, and a little piece of the same white pebbly Tonic Studios thing, and a different ribbon, which was this glitter sparkle, what do they call it? White glittered organdy ribbon that looks like that or that. So it's full of sparkles, so I thought that was nice for winter. I'm Don't have as much of that left. Anyway, here is my, oh, and I used this stamp set, the little penguins. I started coloring them on Martha's Live on December 3rd. However, I messed up one of the penguins, so let me show you what I did. This was all colored with Stampin' Up! Alcohol markers because I have them right in front of me. And I didn't have room to have my Ohuhu case on my table because I had the computer there. I stamped this in Memento Tuxedo Black. I went around the edges in Balmy Blue with one of those little finger dauber things, and also around the edge of the paper. The ribbon is over here. I don't know if you can see the sparkles on the ribbon. There we go. These are from Dollar Tree, yeah, Crafter Square, which I had in my stash, so I probably bought them last year or maybe the year before. I don't know. Well, Crafter Square, but it says Greenbrier. So now I have some older ones that are Greenbriers, but they don't have Crafter Square on them. And here's where I messed up. I got some of the, this was actually light black, and these are other ones are black, but it bled into the face, and I tried to use the colorless removers, you know, didn't work. So what I ended up doing, which it looks a little weird, but I have this Sharpie ultra fine point, I wish they wouldn't have this over the name, permanent marker. It's a really fine tip, but you know, I can't draw a straight line, so he ended up, or he or she ended up getting a smaller face footprint, but I think it's all right. It's just going in my book. And the penguins are bumped up on dimensionals, and after I fussy cut them out because there's no die for the stamp set, which was from Newton's Nook, which I got on clearance May 19th, 2024. It was $4.99 for that little stamp set. Okay, so anyway, those are my two cards for week 49, December 5th, and week 50, December 12th. I had do Christmas, but I ended up doing winter. So you can probably expect another winter next week and a Christmas for Christmas the following week, because week 51 is 2 days before the winter beginning, and week 52, the last one for this year, is Christmas Day. No, I'm sorry, it's the day after Christmas. Ah, well, maybe the 51 I'll do winter since I already did I'll do Christmas since I already did winter. Christmas Day is the 25th. The 26th is going to be week 52, so maybe I'll do something entirely different. I don't know yet, like New Year's or I'm not sure. Actually, week 51, I should do a birthday one because that's my son's birthday on the 19th of December. And then 52, I don't know what I'll do. So I have a Christmas and a winter, and I'm not sure about the next week's. I'm blabbering on. Sorry about that. So I hope you enjoyed, and I also hope you have a wonderful, warm, but not too warm wherever you are, day. It is below freezing here. I was going to say it's freezing, but it's actually below freezing. All right, guys, take care. Hugs, love, and peace. Thanks for watching.